Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, then hello and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel. Basically, I save all of my packages from the entire week. I don't open them, it's so hard sometimes, but I save them to open them with you guys so we can go ahead and see what's new in makeup together. I also post videos on my channel here on Mondays and Wednesdays as well. I am going to be starting to throw in some bonus videos. I have a ton of different ideas, and I just feel like 3 days isn't enough to come up with all the ideas I have going on. So I'm going to be posting more often here as well. So be on the lookout for some bonus videos. Still posting on our regular days, but there'll be some extra ones in there for you guys too. So let's get started and unbox some of these packages. Came from Physicians Formula. I've actually never received a package from them. I have been using Physicians Formula's products for so long, probably since I've been into makeup. They were one of the first brands that I actually started wearing. My mom was really into kind of healthy and natural things, so I was only allowed to buy products that were organic and good for you. And I know that they have really good ingredients in their products. So it just says here that these are going to be some of their newest skin treatments. So we love skincare. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have another little sheet here. So it looks like it's a charcoal detox cleansing stick, a refreshment cucumber and bamboo eye depuffer. We need that. My under eyes have been so bad lately. And then lastly, we have a rose all day oil-free serum for brightness and tightness. Definitely love that as well. So here's what they look like. So this is the cleansing detoxifying stick. And then we also have this cucumber. I'm just really excited about this. Sometimes cucumber irritates my skin, so we'll see. I don't even know. I'm kind of bummed because I really want to try this, but sometimes I have issues with cucumbers, so I don't know if I'm going to try this. Maybe I'll try it, and then if it doesn't work out, I'll gift it to someone just because I really want a depuffer. That sounds amazing. The packaging on this is so pretty. Okay, so this is their oil-free serum, so it brightens and tightens. Really excited to try this out. Thank you so much to Physicians Formula. I will be trying these out tonight. I'm really excited to try out some skincare for them, so thank you so much. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this next box here. I'm not really sure who it's from. Normally, my Motive Cosmetics packages come in a box like this, so let's see if that's what this is. Let's see, ooh, new lip products. Okay, so I went ahead and opened them all so we can swatch them. So this first one here, this is called Wine Not, and it looks like a really pretty red shade. So let's see what this formula looks like. Ooh, it feels like the kind I like. It feels very satiny. Here is that color. So this is Wine Not. Next red here, this is like a reddish orange, and this one is called Delight. So these are supposed to be like a metallic, but they look like they're gonna be still very wearable. So here's that one right there, Delight. This color is really, really pretty. So it's like a vampy, and this is called Wicked. I've been so in love with this color like all winter long. Ooh, it's really pretty. It has like a little bit of a frosty metallic look to it, but it's not too overpowering. Sometimes I feel like with some metallic lipsticks, they are hard to wear, but I feel like I'm gonna like the formula of these. So this one is called Nude Blush, and this one looks like a copper color. I'm gonna go ahead. Ooh, that one's really pretty too. It has like little flecks of gold in it. So here is that one. This next one is called Pink Latte. And there's Pink Latte. That one looks like it has a little bit more of a rose gold to it. And then the very last one, this one is called Biscotti. Okay, sorry. And let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, I really like this one. Very, very rose gold. And here is Biscotti right there. All right, so here are all of the shades of their new metallic lip paints. These look so pretty, especially these last two colors right here. Gorgeous. Thank you so much to Motive Cosmetics. So this next box here came from Benefit, and I am a part of their Club Pink, so I receive monthly packages from them. So let's see what they sent us this month. All right, so it looks like here we have their new Bad Girl Bang Mascara. So this is supposed to be 36-hour full blast volumizing mascara. I've heard amazing things about this. I keep seeing it around on everyone's socials. So this is supposed to lengthen, give volume, and lift your lashes. So really, really excited to try this out. I might do like a first impression / comparison to my roller lash because I absolutely love that from Benefit. So I don't know, keep an eye out for that video possibly, but thank you so much to Benefit. I can't wait to try out this mascara. But this next package here came from Perfect 365. So I'm actually going to be partnering with them on their app. Basically what the app is you guys can try on different makeup looks. You can try on my makeup looks. You can try on different artists. You can discover different artists in your area if you're looking for someone to do your makeup. And it's just a really, really cool app, and there's a lot of fun different stuff on there. They sent over a cute little Valentine and some fun products here. So thank you guys so much. I'm really, really excited about this. So they sent over the FENTY. This is their Bomb Baby Mini Lip and Face Set. I'm so excited because this has the FENTY lip gloss in it. I have been wanting to try this for months. So I finally get to try it out, and then it also has the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter, which I've never actually tried any of the FENTY highlighters, so this is like perfect for me, so thank you guys. And then we also have in here this I'm Real Seaweeds Mask Sheet, so this is a sheet mask, so I also love those. And then lastly, what is this? So it is a Prismatic Multi-Stick from Bite Beauty, so let's open it up and see what this is. So it's in Oyster Pearl. I only have a few lip products from Bite Beauty, so this is exciting. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. It's got like an iridescent look to it. Let's swatch it because I have to know what it looks like. Ooh, it feels really nice. Oh my gosh. Look at how pretty that is. Package was so, so sweet. Thank you guys so much. And I'll have the app linked down below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. So this next box here came from Cali, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. So we got the Bum Bum Cream. I am so excited to try this out. I have heard so many people talk about this for so long. I've wanted to try it out forever. This is supposed to be a body cream. I'm so excited to smell this right now. I've wanted to try this forever. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand so we can see. Ooh, it feels nice and whipped. Let's see what it smells like. Smells so good. I cannot wait to use this daily and see if it helps with my dry skin. It's been so dry this winter. So this next package here came from Urban Decay, and I already peeked in it because I couldn't resist, but it's a super, super cute Valentine. So this actually has in it the original Naked palette and then some of their Vice lipsticks. Look at how cute this is, you guys. Like, how adorable is this presentation? Such a cute package. I was so excited to get something from Urban Decay. The Naked 2 was the very first palette that I ever bought that was higher end. So it really means a lot to get a package from them. It's kind of like a whole little, I don't know, like a full circle kind of a thing. Like, you never thought that you would work with a brand who you adore so much. So it's really, really cool. So I'm really excited. I got the original Naked palette, which I actually do not even own. So that was really awesome. And then I'm really excited because they sent over some of those Vice lipsticks as well. And we have some of them in nude shades, which you guys know I love nudes as well. So thank you guys so much. I'm really, really excited about this. I cannot wait to play with everything inside. But this next package here, I'm not really sure who it's from, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It doesn't really say on the packaging. Oh, this is so exciting. So this is from Sleek Makeup. It looks like they sent me a bunch of different products, so let's see what we have here. So this is a Brow Intensity Dark Gold Highlight. That's really cool. So it's like a brow highlight, and then it looks like it has some brow gel on the other side. And we also have a brow kit here as well. So this is in the shade Dark. I don't know, that might be a little dark for me, but we'll see. This is cool. They also included their Solstice highlighting palette. I own this. I absolutely adore it. So I'll be able to put this in a giveaway for you guys. So that's awesome. And then we also have here a Face Form Contouring and Blush palette in medium. And we have here some lip products. So this is their Lip Star lipstick, and this is in Rich Pickings. This looks like it's gonna be really pretty. Let's get it off here. Ooh, so it's like a really pretty pink red shade. So let's swatch it and see what it looks like. Oh, that's gonna be the perfect color for the summer. Look at how pretty that is. Then we have here one of their major matte ultra smooth lip paints. I actually have another one of these that I love. And then the last lip product here is, it looks like a little one. This is a Kidding Me matte Vitamin E Lip Be True lipstick. So like a little mini lipstick. So thank you so much to Sleek Makeup. I can't wait to play with these products, especially those brow products. Really excited about those. So this next box here came from Persona. So I'm really excited. I think this is their new highlighters. I love the Persona Identity Palette. That was their first product that they launched. And this is their second launch. So I'm really excited to see what they came out with. So these are their new highlighters. These are their Cali Glow highlighters. And we have 3 different shades. So they are $24 each, and they are launching on 2/16, so that is actually today, so perfectly. They are available now. I will, of course, have them linked down below along with some of the other products that I mentioned. Cool name. So these are called their Cali Glow highlighters, and we have here Zuma, we also have Laguna, and then we also have Del Mar. So really, really cute names here. So let's see what they look like. I think this one might be a little bit dark for me, but we'll see. So this one is the shade Del Mar. Ooh, cute packaging. It has like a pink nude casing. Ooh, how pretty. It also has a large mirror inside, so that's really nice. Here's what it looks like. Super, super pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it because I have to. Ooh, this looks really, really buttery. So let's swatch it and see. Ooh, that feels really, really good. Look at how pigmented that is. That was just like one finger swatch. Okay, so let's try the other 2. So this next one here, this is Laguna. I think that this one is gonna be perfect for my skin tone. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, so let's swatch Laguna. They feel so good once again. So I'm gonna get a nice little swatch here. So let's go ahead and swatch Laguna. So there's Laguna next to the first one. That has such a pretty, just like kind of sheer to it, like not too overpowering. I can't wait to try that out. And then let's see the last one here. So this last one is Zuma. Here's what Zuma looks like. So this one looks like it's kind of an in-between shade. So let's go ahead, look at how pigmented. Let's go ahead and swatch that one next to the other 2. Oh my gosh. Look at how gorgeous that one is. I cannot believe how pigmented those look. Like, that is crazy. I'm so excited for these. When I saw they were launching, I was actually gonna purchase them. I didn't think I would be getting them. So thank you so much to Persona. This was an amazing package to receive, and I cannot wait to try these out. And I'm so proud of you guys as a brand that you came out with these highlights. They are absolutely gorgeous. So thank you guys so much. This next package here came from Grande as well as Octali. So huge thank you to Octali. I have been obsessed with using Grande's products lately. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my eyebrows have been like growing like crazy. Like, I have some intense eyebrows now. And also I've been using their lash serum, which has been making my lashes really long. So I've been a huge fan of their products. This is their Instant Hydrating Lip Plumping Trio. So this is their most loved nude lip plumpers. I have one of just the original one. So these are some of their colored shades. So these are going to help plump up your lips while adding a little bit of color to them. So the one that I have is just a plain color. So I'm really excited to have some different colors. I'm not gonna swatch them just because they probably won't look that good swatched, but on the lips, they definitely plump up your lips and make them look more lush. And over time, they're actually supposed to plump up your lips permanently, which is really, really cool. So I've been using the original one, so I'm really excited to have some different colors. So thank you so much to Grande. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this week's PR unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the new makeup products. If you guys want me to do a dedicated video with more swatches or application of any of these products, please let me know down in the comment section. Also, let me know which one of these launches you guys are excited for, which of these products you guys already own and you want me to try out maybe in a first impressions. Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.